Good morning, everybody. I am camping out at White Luna. It used to be called Loon Lake. They changed the name. Just got up, got everything straightened out, trying to make some coffee. Looking pretty rough. Kiwi is outside, tied up, enjoying herself. She's awfully curious about something up the hill, so I keep watching. And I'm just ready to make my coffee. And I just love my little strainer light fixture. That thing is so cute to me. Okay, let's cut that off. And let's do some pour over. Supposed to do concentric circles. Ooh, girl, what happened to my... Uh-oh, I think my paper sprung a leak. What the hey? Oh well, it'll still get through there enough. Good thing I put it on that tray. So we're gonna leave and go back home in a little bit here. And, oh man, what did I do? Trying to get organized. Always with the organization. I got these really cute, they're reusable little towels that you can just rinse and dry out.